To add doors, windows, and furniture to your library, begin by opening the respective team's library and proceed to the relevant tab. Let's start with adding furniture. Click on the Upload Furniture button and add furniture files in the mentioned formats, that is, SKP, 3DS, OBJ, or FBX. You can browse for files or simply drag and drop them to the library. If you wish to remove a file before uploading, click on the cross sign. Next, choose the room category from the drop-down menu. Depending on the type of furniture you're uploading, select the appropriate type from the drop-down menu. Once your selection is made, click on Upload Furniture to add them to the library. As you can see, the furniture has been successfully added. Once the items are in the library, you can modify the parameters as needed. For instance, you can add cost details and other default information. A single piece of furniture can be assigned to multiple room types. For example, if you want to assign a piece of furniture to both an office and a private office, you can do so. To create a new room type, click on Add New Room Type. Enter the room name and click on Add New Room Type. Once a room type is added, you can assign your furniture to it. To delete it, simply click on the cross sign. The room type will then be deleted. If you want to unassign a room type from a piece of furniture, just select it, and it will be unassigned from that particular type. To create a new property for your furniture elements, click on Add New Property. Here, you can create a new parameter for your furniture. For example, we have created Delivery Date. Next, choose the type of parameter you're creating from this drop-down list. As we've chosen a date parameter type, we'll select Date and click on Add Property. Once a property is added, you can assign it to the corresponding furniture families. If you need to edit or delete the property you've created, simply right-click on it and select Delete or Edit. Similarly, you can upload doors and windows. Let's take a look at how to upload doors. To do this, click on the Upload Doors button and select from these file formats to add to your library. You can either drag and drop files directly or browse your system to upload. If you need to remove a particular door before uploading, click on the Cross button here. Before adding the door, choose the type of door you want to add, whether it's swing, fixed, sliding, etc., and select the shutter count. Then, click on Upload Doors. It's crucial that the door type and shutter count are correctly noted in the library. This ensures the correct 2D annotations are assigned to the door when used within a project. This same logic applies while uploading windows as well. Just like with your furniture, you can then add cost, manufacturing details, and other descriptions to the door, as well as add a new property. Follow these same steps to add windows as well. Please note that the cost you add in the central library will also be reflected when the specific door, window, or furniture is used within a project. In this way, you can create, standardize, or customize your door, window, and furniture library using central libraries for use within your team's projects.